सर, ये सरकार तमिलनाडु में काशी तमिल संगमम के आयोजन करने वाला विजनरी लीडर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी है। तमिल स्वराष्ट्र संगमम आयोजन करने वाला विजनरी लीडर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी inside country and outside country many times he has mentioned Tamil language is the ancient language of human civilization. That we believe. I personally committed to my Prime Minister's vision. This is our commitment to Tamil language. Tamil language is nobody's monopoly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the only leader in this country who has envisioned an international center. Is an international center in Tiruvallur at Singapore, the first of kind in this country. We have nobody has right to outrage the modesty of a senior leader like Jayalalitha ji. If it is truth, you have to accept that. 21st February of this year 25, how do I portray Tamil Nadu? What is my feeling? What is my understanding of Tamil Nadu? In the para 8 of my letter I have written, Tamil Nadu has always been torchbearer of social and educational progress, pioneering some of the most transformative reforms in India. That I believe, that my government believes. It has been at the forefront of movement that have shaped modern education, uplifted marginalized communities and fostered an inclusive learning environment. This is our understanding of Tamil Nadu. This is my commitment. The state of Tamil Nadu is very keen to sign the MOU for establishing the PM Shri school in the state. So this is very clear terms. उन्होंने शायद संविधान सभा के उपरांत सभी के साथ, सभी वर्गों के साथ, सभी राजनीतिक पार्टी, सभी सामाजिक वर्ग, सभी राज्य, सभी से चर्चा करके एक व्यापक परामर्श के आधार पे, एक कंसल्टेटिव मैकेनिज्म के आधार पे NEP 2020 बनाया। What was their recommendation? ये कहा गया कि जिस भाषा में बालक बालिका जिस भाषा को सुनता है वो पहले बोलता है, उसी भाषा में अगर वो पढ़ता है और लिखता है तब उसकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग बढ़ेगी, उसकी इनोवेशन कैपेसिटी बढ़ेगी, इसकी रूटेडनेस बढ़ेगी। इसीलिए it should be learning level 1. With utmost responsibility in the floor of the house, I can inform this country in NEP, none of the language has been imposed on anybody. NEP is advocating up to class 5 in Tamil Nadu, the medium of instruction should be Tamil. This is in NEP. Today, Burayadeshwar is there because the fundamental understanding of Tamil language, because it's ancient language of the civilization. We are promoting Sangol, is understanding of Tamil language. Sir, in Tamil Nadu there is a much appreciation. Sir, I met a girl. Sir, I met a girl at Kharagpur Research Park. She is a young girl from Transport Nagar of Tamil Nadu, that lorry point, Namakkal. I met a young promising girl, young scientist. What does it mean by NEP? NEP is meant for mother tongue based education. मातृभाषा आधारित शिक्षा पहला शर्त है राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति की। स्किल के बारे में चर्चा किया गया है। लोगों ने सुझाव दिया 9वीं 10वीं 11वीं 12वीं में स्किल करना चाहिए। राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति नए टेक्स्ट बुक में क्लास 6 से स्टैंडर्ड 6 से स्किल ओरिएंटेशन बढ़ाने के लिए काम कर रहा है। इनोवेशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, रूटेडनेस, these are the future of new education policy.